Oh my god, you guys, Goyard's limited edition new jet black collection. Let's go through the luggage now. They're doing 12 bags. We're going to do the 3 luggage items. This is the Bourget PM trolley, jet black case, rolly case. This is the smaller case, smaller of the 2 cases. It is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's red interior. Again, jet black is the only collection where they do red interior. Usually they have yellow interior or beige interior, like their beige cloth. But this is a red interior on an all jet black bag. This is the smaller size. I would assume these are the 2 ways to wear it. I would assume this is going to be roughly over 10, maybe 10 to 12, depending on if you get it in the US or France. This is the Boston 50. This is a nice duffel bag. It does not come with a strap. You have to buy an additional strap for it, but it is jet black duffel bag, great for travel as well. Red interior. That's the strap you can get and buy. I think the strap is an additional $500 to $600. The bag, I'm gonna say, is probably gonna be like $5K in the US, maybe 4 in France, roughly guesstimates. Could be a little more. And the trolley, I think, is gonna be 10K in France and maybe 12K here. And then because the original prices are 8 and 10 anyway, so the regular bags. And then this is the bowling 45 bag, which is the other bag. I think this is a little bit more expensive, but it's the smaller size, so it might be around the same, 4 to 5, maybe. I got cut off a little. 45 and 5,500, I think, is how much those 2 prices are gonna be. These 2 bags. This you can add a strap, it doesn't come with it. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're gonna